beloved, how are you doing today? How is your doing? Are you totally living your best life? Are you enjoying who you truly are? Are you just loving yourself? Today is really our day that you can just express yourself and love yourself and others even more. And today we are reading together Reality Transurfing in 70, 80 days by Vadim Zeland. And today is our day 50. Pendulum flow. It's important that you live your life your way. That is not this energy of the pendulum pushing you or bringing you or taking you with it, but that you are totally living your life. And if it is taking you, that you can say, okay, it is as it is. I accept it now as it is, and that you don't fight it. If you fight it, you give energy to that. You have to surrender. You have to say, okay, if it's negative, it's negative. It will just let go, and then just go toward your heart desires. Anyway, just go toward your goals and just express yourself even more. Sometimes you have to do something that you don't particularly like. Just do it with no excess of emotions. But also, if you have negative emotions, just accept them and allow them to be, that they are not pushed down in yourself because they are going to explode in you. So give them space now, accept them, and then you can totally go toward your heart desires with no effort or with easier. Sometimes it's better, and so just accept it. Don't fight it. And now I'm going just to look to if I accept it first, and then you can change, and then you can allow just that everything you feel goes through you, and then you can say goodbye to all of these negative feelings. And just don't push it, just gently rearrange your going toward the direction that is for you, more kind, more in your direction of your heart desires. Just focus on something else. Just say, okay, it is what it is, and make this drama or make this tragedy to a comedy. If you don't like something, just ignore it, and your life is going to change when you are going to go toward your heart desires. So that was our day from the book Reality Transurfing in 70-80 days by Vadim Zeland. Have a beautiful day. Enjoy really who you are, love really who you are, and express really who you are. You are beautiful just the way you are. Follow your bliss, as Joseph Campbell said, and just follow your heart. Do more what really makes you happy. Have a lovely day. Bye.